Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, for those who are wanting to join my signal service, please don't hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. That will bring you to this website here where you just have to click on subscribe. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 for a monthly subscription, and I've also gone and left the link to this website in the description of today's video. Let's talk about the NASDAQ 100 now. Ahead of the open here on Sunday evening, let's just quickly reflect on what happened last week. We've had that major breakdown here. The last 2 days here for the NASDAQ 100 were horrible trading sessions, and I think on Friday we ended down 2.9% here for the NASDAQ 100, and it's clear to me now that we are going to probably head lower at the start of this week, and that's because we've broken below this minor support here, which was up around 13,800. And this is something that I did mention earlier on last week on Monday and Tuesday. I said, if we were to take out this 13,800 area, then I think that we go and form this W pattern, which is all the way down at 13,000. So this is going to be a W bottom, guys. It's looking very likely that we're going to go down and form this W bottom, which is actually quite bullish. For those who do not know, a W bottom, a double bottom, otherwise known as a W pattern, is actually it actually signals the bottom of a negative trend. So if we could form something similar to this kind of pattern where we've gone down, if I just take out this this trend that I put in before, there we go, that's your W pattern here. So we go and bottom at around 13,000, and then eventually we can then go and retarget 15,300, and once we clear this 15,300 area, because it's clear to me now that we have gone and created a clear resistance area here with that 15,300. So this is kind of like the range that we kind of find ourselves trading in, guys, between 13,000 15,300. And if we can get that double bottom and go and trade back up towards the top of the range, if we can break out, that to me will then signal that we are going to go and retest those all-time highs, and potentially this move may come later on in the year. I don't really anticipate us to go breaking above 15,300 before at least June, because of we've got the Fed minutes coming. And it's definitely going to cause some volatility, as we do have some rather sharp interest rate hikes coming soon. Starting off in May, I think it's in about 2 weeks' time, is the next Fed minutes meeting, and I think we're expected to get a minimum of 0.5 basis points higher. So that's kind of how I look at the NASDAQ 100. If we were to take out 13,000, then that would be extremely bearish for the NASDAQ 100, and then you're kind of looking at other supportive areas in a range of maybe 12,200 all the way down to 12,000 for the next bounce. But I do not anticipate us to break below 13,000. I think a lot of the bad news that's already happened this year with regards to Ukraine, Russia, inflation, hiking interest rates, that's already been priced in here, and I think that there's a lot of room at this moment in time for the markets to have some positive reactions and trade back towards the upside.